Hey everybody, Shaun Hadsall here, the owner of Get Lean in 12 and stubborn fat expert for people over 35 years old and proud grandpa to 4 beautiful grandkids. And inside today's short fat loss video, I'm going to give you a crash course on one of the most popular foods on the planet, and that is bacon. So what bacon does to your body, that's what we're going to talk about inside this video. Most people associate bacon with clogged arteries and heart disease and high cholesterol levels, but this is actually a myth, and I'm going to cover that with you right now. I'm also going to share a free report that you can download that I've created called the Over 40 Stubborn Fat Sequence, and it'll introduce you to a 12-minute metabolic protocol that my wife Karen and I have used for over 10 years in a row now to keep our bodies looking years younger than our real age. Now that we're in our 40s and 50s, this 12-minute metabolic protocol also helps us reactivate declining fat loss hormones. And at the end of this video, you can download that report for free. But first, let's talk about bacon, one of everybody's most favorite foods. And bacon is actually loaded with fats, but they're very friendly fats. It has 50% monounsaturated fats, 40% saturated fat, and 10% polyunsaturated fat. Now, most people think that when they see this 40% saturated fat that you hold up across like a vampire, because that's what's linked to heart disease and actually high cholesterol levels. But I'm going to post 2 scientific references in the description of this video showing once and for all that cholesterol in the diet from foods like bacon and egg yolks has no bearing and no link to cholesterol in the bloodstream. So this is a myth. The other thing is that it has 37 grams of protein in a 100-gram serving. This is a significant amount of protein. And remember, people who have more protein in their diet lose more weight than people who don't. They also have less nighttime cravings. It helps preserve and build muscle as well, and it can boost the metabolism. So 37 grams of metabolism boosting protein, tons of B vitamins. You can see all of them listed right here are found in bacon. Also, magnesium, selenium, zinc, iron. Now, you just have to make sure that you're eating bacon the right way. And the right way is to follow these rules. So the first thing is to buy pasture-raised. So anytime you can, try to avoid processed bacon. Try to buy from a local farmer. That's what we do. Or try to find pasture-raised bacon so it's minimally processed. Also, bacon can be very high in salt. Now, this should not be a concern as long as you're not eating it too frequently or eating too large of portions, and especially if you're not eating processed foods in the other areas of your diet, then this should not be a concern. The other thing is watching your portion sizes. This is very important because it's loaded with all these friendly fats. Remember, fats yield 9 calories per gram. Carbs and protein only yield 4 calories per gram. So you have to watch your friendly fat servings very carefully. So making sure that you don't exceed a 100-gram serving. The same thing applies to nut butters and raw nuts and seeds, any type of oil, olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil. Always watch your portion sizes very carefully because they yield over double the calories as carbs and protein. So if you got something out of this video, give me some hearts, give me some likes, drop a comment below if you like this and you learned something. Make sure you tag a friend who loves bacon. And then somewhere on this video, you're going to see a link to click or tap where you can download the free report that I talked about earlier, the Over 40 Stubborn Fat Sequence. You'll also learn all about my wife's inspiring story inside this free report. Years ago when we first met, she was diagnosed with colorectal cancer. This forced her into early menopause, and she accumulated a ton of upper belly fat. We actually called it her menopause belly. And the 12-minute protocol that you're going to find inside this free PDF that you're going to download is the same exact protocol my wife used to help her get rid of her menopause belly. And now I'm a 46-year-old grandfather. She's 11 years older than me. She's 57. So she has 3 beautiful grandkids from her kids, and I have 1 from my daughter, and we have another one on the way. And people often ask us how we look so much younger than our real age. Well, one of the secrets is we use the 12-minute protocol found inside this free report, and we strategically eat foods that most people think are bad for you, like bacon, by following these rules. So thanks for watching this, and keep going strong.